guys, this is the Jet from I got an unboxing. This one comes from MIGHTMOUSE74. Thanks, buddy. Now if you notice the sound, I'm going to use the laptop for unboxing, and I'm going to use webcam for reviews and other stuff, so just a little heads up. But yeah. Really excited about it. There's two figures I really wanted. One, I'll show you, I'm not going to tell you. One, I talked to him on Facebook and I asked him if he could get my figure. He said sure, and he found it. That's just one of them. The other one we had a few weeks ago, I think it was like December or November or something, and I said, I couldn't remember exactly, but I said, if I had GDO Clutch Jumper, I would be the happiest boy in the world. He said, oh, I could get it for you. I'm like, holy crap! So, let's get it up there. Got my trusty knife. I'm gonna do it because, yeah, the personal info is not going with a lot of stamps. Yeah, I made a lot. Let's do these. Said it would have to get here tomorrow or something, but the day early. Really? Yeah. Need to knock no more. Oh, yeah. Oh, thanks, buddy. I got some newspaper. Rock on. Thank you. I really like it. Holy shit. I'm gonna get this flap open so they don't want to do it yet. Okay, here it is. Bubble wrap. Okay, first up, this is the one I was talking about on Facebook. This is the first one that you got me. Transformers Prime. Okay. Yes, I needed to. I'm still finishing off my Team Prime on the RED side. All I need is RC. That's it. Yes. Now I have Dead End and Wheel Jack. It doesn't have much of a file, just it has 3 languages. Ooh. Thank you. That's just 1. 2 is my favorite. This was the one that we had to do the thing with. Wait, there's a letter. So see you later. I bet you wanted me to open it from the top. Woohoo! I see what it says. Friday, January 4th. Dog 13. Yeah, dear Jack, here are your the Transformers figures you asked for. Sorry it took so long to get to you. It's all good. It's fine. But I'm sure you will enjoy them. I want a full review on these guys. LOL. Yes, I am going to be getting those. Your friend and YouTube buddy, MIGHTMOUSE74, aka Ron. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description. Thanks, John. Here's the second figure. This is the one that the Google ran up. Run. Transformers Generation GDO. Oh yeah. Hot Speed Jumper. Oh. This is awesome. Now people are actually having problems with this because I guess they're breaking. But I'm gonna be careful. Oh! Action time! Might get that. Yeah. That has been an unboxing from MIGHTMOUSE74. Thank you again. I don't know. I wanted to review first because I might do this one. Since I already know the information. Thanks to Deadman. But yeah, thumbs up, no thumbs down. Comment, rate, subscribe, do whatever you want to. See ya later.